Hello everyone, welcome to a day in the life of a structural engineering intern at Walter P. Moore. I started off the morning with some work at my desk, and here is the intern bingo that we are all to complete this summer. Next, I went on a little site visit, and here's me on a roof. I had a little free time, so now I'll give you guys a little office tour. Here's the Moore Room. The Moore Room is where we have most of our lunch and learns and big office gatherings, and right now it is being used for the Computational Designer Summit. One thing that inspired me to apply for this internship was seeing how much the company embraces innovation, and that can be seen through their digital practice. As you can see, our Atlanta office is decorated with some of our beautiful projects and beautiful midtown views. Here's my desk and one of my work besties, Julia. Now walking away from my desk, here's a little impossible puzzle that we've all been trying to solve this summer. Something I've appreciated about our company culture is that everyone is very welcoming and no one is ever scared of asking any questions. Here's our break room where we've had some fun Thursday office lunches, and here's another beautiful view of Midtown and the Atlanta Symphony Hall. Now I'll be giving you guys some bonus clips. So here you can see from a site visit a steel erection happening. On the same site visit, I was able to see a little concrete pour and some more steel erection. In the next clip, you'll be able to see some donuts from our office celebrating National Intern Day. And that concludes a day in the life of a structural engineering intern at Walter P. Moore. Thank you so much for the experience, and I hope you enjoyed.